Good evening. Today is 27th December 2020, Sunday. I am Sudarshan Sukhani, and this video show every day talks about intraday and swing trading ideas in the Nifty and the Nifty Bank. On Friday, the view was that, Friday was a holiday. It was Christmas. On Thursday, the view was simply that we will see how it goes, take intraday trades. And that's exactly what happened. It was not a very good trading day for me. Now we have the markets opening up tomorrow. We must remember that Friday was a holiday almost all over the world. So the last trading available to us anywhere in the US or the Europe is 24th. That day was a half day there. And on 24th, the US markets closed cheerful with little gains, but they were all gains. Now tomorrow morning we are going to open, and the chances are that we will open either at par or with a reasonable gap up, which means that the market trend continues to be up. After Friday's sharp decline, the other three days saw a rally. We have already covered the entire loss that we had incurred on Friday, last Monday, and the chances are that we are now at a point where a breakout could happen. What is the breakout point? It's about 13,750. So if the Nifty starts trading above this level, the chances are very strong that we could go higher. Our line in the sand, which means the level below which we will not take long positions, is 13,600. That's reasonably lower. So the trade is to watch for intraday price action, either buy on a 15-minute breakout and keep a tight stop, or buy on an intraday dip. But the themes remains to buy on any one of these options, dip or breakout. But ideally, we want the Nifty to first see that it has crossed 13,750. Then that gives us some conviction that it's going to make a genuine breakout. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But my view is to be on the long side. Sorry. What about the Nifty Bank? The Nifty Bank has been in a consolidation for almost 1.5 months now. When the Nifty had a strong and sharp rally, significant rally, the bank did not participate. And the Nifty was helped by other stocks, Pharma, IT, Reliance, and so on, FMCG, not by the banks. Now either the banks will join the party or they will drag down the Nifty. And the banks, I think, have this level of 29,000 approximately, below which a significant breakdown occurs. Now 29,000 may not come at all. So we must understand that this is only a level, it's not a certainty. But because banks are a little underperforming, buying the bank index is a less attractive option, and a more attractive option, at least for tomorrow, is buying the Nifty. We may or may not want to carry positions if the market is closing strong. If European markets, I don't know if they will open tomorrow. If they do open and if they are cheerful, then we may like to carry long positions. Otherwise, this is an intraday trade, but I would not go short in any form. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.